the moon for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up guys, KoolKard, and I'm back with a holiday special. Not really, back with another KoolKard, all cool stuff show. And I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you got everything that you wished for. I hope you were good and not naughty. You know, I got everything I wanted. But once again, Happy Holidays, and I have a gift, not to you, but to me. From OLALA. They sent me some more headphones, guys. Yes, they sent me some more headphones. These are the OLALA SG1 Wireless Headphones. Earbuds, active, sport, for the active person. And if you're wondering what's hanging from my ears, it's the SG1s. They are ergonomically designed to fit perfectly into your ears. And they are noise canceling. So when you're listening to music, you don't hear a thing. When you're talking to someone, you're not going to hear a thing that's going on outside of these in your ear. Now, that's great if you're not driving. If you're driving, please do not put these in your ear because you will not hear a thing. Noise canceling is good for the user, right? When you're listening to music, you're not going to hear a thing. But when you're talking on the phone, you're not going to hear a thing. But the person on the other end will hear everything in the background. Everything that's going on in your background, they will hear. So noise canceling for telephone calls is not that great. Don't get me wrong. These are a good set of earphones. All right. Great build, great quality. OLALA is known for their quality. The quality always feels superb. Always feels really good in the hands. Real thick, soft rubber. Doesn't feel cheap. This right here doesn't feel like it's going to pop or rip or crinkle. Really good, guys. You have the control bar here, just positive, negative for volume, change songs, and you got the phone little button here that you can answer the phone, in calls, all that, and a little USB port here for charging. Plain and simple. It can connect to 2 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, and it supports Bluetooth 4.1. So, up to date with the technology here. It takes about an hour and a half to charge these. And it has 8 hours of talk and listening time. So, and I think that's the longest because my Apple AirPods don't even last that long. Now, the Apple AirPods, they do charge a little bit faster, but they don't last 8 hours. I'll tell you that right now. Now, sound quality, when you're listening to music, the bass is a little flat and the volume does not get as loud as I would like. For some, it may be good. But for me, I'm used to the Apple AirPods. Those get extremely loud. These, not so much, but it's still a good listening experience because it is clear. The clarity is good and it's crisp, but it's just kind of low. Yeah, man. And the wireless range is 33 meters. So you can walk a good distance away from the device that these are connected to and still be able to have a good listening experience and not experience any crackling and all that. You know, we've all heard that. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give these an 8. Because they are a good quality. They're a good quality, don't get me wrong. And they're on Amazon, as is all of OLALA's merchandise. They're all on Amazon for a good price. I will leave the link down below. Oh, and don't let me forget to show you this. It's a magnetic clasp. So when you're done using them, you don't want them in your ear, you need to listen to somebody or something going on around you, you can put them around your neck, just like a necklace. Boom. It'll stay there. You won't lose them. Oh, and also, they're sweat proof. So if you sweat on them, a little bit of moisture, nothing to worry about. They're not going to short out. You'll have them for life. Maybe not life, but anyway, guys, that's another one from KoolKard. You guys be sure to click the link below. I'm leaving it for you. You can go to Amazon, pick them up, check them out, get them for a gift for somebody. Click the link below. Thumbs up, thumbs down, follow, share. I love you guys. I'll be back. I won't leave you for too long. Peace. It's cool. Hey, and best of all, there's a discount and a buy 2 get 1 free promo in the description. I left the links below. Now go check it out.
Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.